has experienced 5 mass extinctions before the one that we are living through now. All except the one that killed the dinosaurs were caused by climate change, according to New York Magazine. If we don't want history to repeat itself, we have to take action now by recycling, getting involved, and using clean energy. So, what exactly is climate change? A lot of you also know it as global warming, and basically it happens when the Earth's temperature rises due to greenhouse gases. Over the past 50 years, the Earth's temperature has risen at the fastest rate in recording history, according to the National Defense Council. So, greenhouse gases are defined by the Energy Protection Agency basically as gases that trap heat in the atmosphere. These cause the greenhouse effect, which causes the global temperature to rise. This is a diagram explaining the greenhouse effect. So pretty much the sun radiates solar energy towards our Earth, and it's radiated back out into space, while some of it is still kept within our atmosphere. However, when greenhouse gases are present, much more is kept inside of our atmosphere, and very little gets released back into space, raising the temperature. So what's causing these emissions? Things such as burning and transporting fossil fuels like coal, solid waste decay, such as our overflowing landfills, and agricultural activities like raising cattle for slaughter are all big contributors. This graph shows the emissions between 1990 and 2010, and as you can see, the graph is going upward, meaning the emissions are getting greater and greater each year, and if this trend continues, it could be catastrophic for our Earth. So now that you understand what global warming is and what causes it, it's important that you also know the effects and why it's important for us to care about this issue. First of all, the sea levels are rising. This is caused due to 2 things. One is melting ice, which falls into our ocean and becomes water, raising the levels. And 2, because of thermal expansion, which means that the water's temperature is raised, so the molecules are separating from each other, causing the ocean to take up more space. Our ocean is currently absorbing about 90% of the humans' emissions, so that can cause more deadly storm surges and a lot more flooding, according to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Habitat loss is also a big factor. Not only are rising sea levels caused by ice caps melting, but polar bears and penguins are also losing their homes because of it. A lot of times researchers will find polar bears adrift on the sea on ice shelves because their home has literally cracked and melted underneath them. Coral reefs have also taken a hard hit in the past few years because warmer waters are causing mass bleaching, infectious disease, and ocean acidification, which is pretty much causing the pH levels of all of our coral reefs to go out of whack, according to the NOAA. This devastation can alter entire ecosystems. NASA has discovered that warmer temperatures in the air and sea can cause more intense natural disasters. So that means that there's going to be longer droughts, more powerful hurricanes, and stronger cyclones than we've ever seen before, putting humanity at a very, very great risk. So what can we do to prevent this? Well, one of the big issues is the 3 R's. So y'all have probably been taught this since a little kid, reduce, reuse, recycle. I know I was in school. But if you actually understand the impact that it has, it's very important just to do simple things like bring a cloth grocery bag or recycle your soda can instead of put it in the trash. Things like this can quite literally save our planet Earth. Renewable energy is a very big one. There's so many different types, but solar and wind are the main 2. With solar energy, the amount of radiation that the sun has on Earth in 1.5 hours, if that energy was captured, can power our entire Earth's energy consumption for an entire year, according to the Office of Energy Efficiency and Renewable Energy. Wind turbines are also a great source of renewable energy because It's high energy and low cost, which can also create more jobs. And in every region that they were placed, they've been widely supported according to the Department of Energy. Lastly, you can get involved. Things as simple as writing letters to department heads or raising awareness or protesting even can definitely help out a lot. And a big thing is to be sure you vote smart, because researching who you're voting for and making sure you're voting for someone not just at a federal level but at a state and local level, that someone will actually take action to prevent climate change, it's a smart idea. So remember, there isn't a second planet for us. There's no planet B. So if you don't recycle, get involved, or use clean energy, we may be the next mass extinction. So take action while you still can. Thank you.